All right, just picked up this Craftsman BP510. This is a 51cc backpack blower off of Marketplace for 40 bucks. So let's see if I spent too much money on it. All right, so these are standard, regular 2-strokes. These run brand new, about $270 something, 280 bucks. You can see that we got fuel leaking all over the place here. You can see around these lines that it's leaking from there. Basically, the previous owner said that he had it, sat for a season, and it doesn't run. So I'm guessing carb clean, fuel lines, fuel filter, and we should be good to go. Hopefully that's all it needs. It feels like it's got tons of compression. So it's got that easy pull stuff. It's got a bunch of compression. So I think we're good there. So let's figure it out. What he said was it was idling. He'd give it gas and it would bog down. So let's fix it. All right. It definitely has mixed fuel in there. You can see the red fuel. So that's good. I'm going to dump that out. Just put new lines on it quick and then just pump the primer just to see what we get. Tell you what, this bulb is good. I think we're going to have good luck with this. Look at all that fuel. Yeah. All right. Actually, before I even do lines, I'm just going to just put some fuel in there. This is ethanol free with Sabre, Amsoil Sabre, 50-1. So let's go ahead and just prime it and make sure that we get. Yeah. All right, priming good. Let's put this air filter back in and we'll give it a pull.
Heck yes!
God.
Well, just put gas in it. You see it's leaking from the fuel line, so I will change those. But yeah. Runs fine. All right, well. That's crazy. All right, so bad gas. Unbelievable. This thing's in great shape, so I'm just going to clean it up here, put new fuel lines on, and put it back on Marketplace and flip it. Got it for 40. Good gas and everything clean in here. They list for 275. Knew this one's in great shape. I'll list it for probably 150. And sometimes it's that easy, okay? So he was saying that when he gave the gas, it would stall out. There's a lot of play in the throttle cable, so I'll adjust that and I'll put new fuel lines on it. It'll take me like 15 minutes. And I think I'll list it for 150 and probably get like 125 for it. But it's a good blower. Works. It's in great shape.